Are you presently receiving workers' compensation payments? Are you concerned about your tax liability for such payments? Hi, my name is Brian Slaughter. I'm the Senior Workers' Compensation Attorney at Kalfus Nachman. I'm frequently asked by my clients whether they have to pay taxes on the compensation payments they're receiving under workers' compensation. They want to know if they report it with their tax return, and if so, how are those taxes calculated? Well, I'm happy to report that workers' compensation payments are fully tax exempt under federal law. And so some people wonder why it is that you only receive 2/3 of your pre-injury average weekly wage as a compensation benefit. Well, this is one of the reasons. No taxes are taken out of your compensation benefit, and it's like you're getting after-tax dollars. As with everything, there are a few situations involving simultaneous payment of workers' compensation and Social Security benefits that might require a closer look by our Social Security Department here at Kalfus Nachman or by a tax professional. So why am I telling you this? Workers' compensation is a very detail-oriented, complex area of the law, and you may have questions that need answering. I answer questions about workers' comp all the time, and I'd be happy to answer any questions you might have. So pick up the phone, call me, Brian Slaughter, the Senior Workers' Compensation Lawyer at Kalfus Nachman, and I'll answer any questions you might have. Thank you for watching.